Hey there, and welcome back. Today I am going to be playing the game Missile Command on the classic Macintosh. This is a game from 1984. Well, let's get it launched and take a look at it. Okay, so basically I just take my mouse and I hit these, I'm not sure what these are. I guess these are missiles coming down at me. And doesn't matter how closely I hit him to the missiles. I'm not even sure how many I have. Obviously, if I start down lower, I could possibly take out more than one missile with one of mine, because it does get larger. Try to do that. Okay. So that one I should have tried to get sooner. There we go. Took out a couple with one of my shots there. For missile defense, this is a pretty easy version of this. In fact, it's a little hard to imagine how they're going to make this difficult enough to be a challenge. Okay, it is getting much faster now. And especially with rudimentary mouses, this would be difficult, because you just don't have the movement speed of today's mouses. It's kind of funny how much fun this is. I mean, really, you're just clicking in front of these lines, but it doesn't feel like a bad game. I have a feeling that all of a sudden this is going to get very frustrating. And I could definitely see that this would get very frustrating because of the hardware that was available back then, specifically the mice and how inaccurate it is to move a vintage mouse around and to get the ball to track the way that you want to. I'm going to resort to trying to just get ahead of each one of these individually. So far I've seen no reason to save my missiles. Oh, I think one split off from another right there, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, I've hit 103 of them. It doesn't seem like it's been that many. Not sure what would happen if I just lit up the whole sky here. Let's just try that and see what happens. Ooh, starting to bog down now. Well, I think that proves that I probably have unlimited missiles. I can just be clicking around. Whoa. Now, okay, so there is a lag there in between when a missile happens, and I had put too many out of there that it couldn't get to the one I needed to place. Okay, this is getting quite difficult now. Not sure if I can destroy my own buildings now. Yeah, let's just try that down here. Let's send a missile off near. Yep. Did I destroy part of that on my own? Yes, so your own missiles can destroy your own buildings as well. So it doesn't matter if it's their missiles or your missiles. Okay, I just have, whoa, and there it is. I made it to round 10, 162 kills, and that's Missile Command on the classic Macintosh. I'll see you next time.